our anniversary, second anniversary.
Hello.
So what's the problem here, Graham?
I don't have a problem.
You
You have a problem.
You have a problem. You know, he's so cheeky. Soon Graham and I will be travelling full-time in our van through South Africa. All doors have opened for us to view our beautiful land in South Africa. Join us on our vibe.
The vehicle's engine's a bit of a clean, a bit dusty and all that.
And I see the difference. Looks like a brand new one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is the van.
Yeah?
And if you look over there, you'll see the dinky train.
Yes, I'm looking. And this is the machine he used, yeah?
In the dinky train as well.
Wow, that looks awesome. It was looking so dusty. Thank you for doing it, my darling. Okay, so this is also getting ready for our jaunt. Every little thing we do.
Yep.
Every little thing we do.
Going. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm sorting this door out for the toilet. It keeps hopping off the it's supposed to close like that,
Yeah.
but sometimes it hops off here like this.
Oh, okay.
So I just need to put a little guide on it so that it can stay in line.
Okay.
It's a bit of a mission to put it back in line.
Yeah. I can see the mission. It's going to be fixed. Okay, will you call me when it's fixed?
No,
Come on.
you'll have to see it being done.
Okay. Look how Graham's workplace is empty now. The end of the road. How do you feel at the end of the
I'm
road?
at the end of my tether.
You're not excited.
Work-wise.
Yeah.
I don't have to stress about work anymore.
Yeah.
I don't have to stress about my van that wants to be good and singly good.
I just think you can faff in the van.
Faff, eh?
You can faff in the van, the new thing.
Uh,
He's taking tools with him. Heavy tools.
I'm taking tools with me. Cindy just takes clothes with her.
No, and art stuff.
Everything, just clothes. The whole place is full of clothes. I don't have anywhere to pack my tools. She suspects it clothes everywhere.
You're lying now.
I can't help that if you do. 3 trunks full of clothes.
What? They are winter clothes together in one of the big.
This is what I have.
Oh, shame, babes. They all feel sorry for you. Please say
You
sorry
don't have
to
feel
Graham.
Sorry. You don't have to feel sorry for me. I'm happy wearing my own clothes every day. I don't mind wearing it 50 times in a year.
Okay, maybe 365 days a year.
That's even better.
Okay.
Even
Okay, Graham. So what's happening here now? You're just going to put little things together and then call me when it's finished.
Yeah, well, I'm making little tracks for the door to slide in.
Okay.
But I need to pack it so that it's the same thickness as the door.
Okay.
So these are the packings that I'm going to put together like this.
Okay.
And then that will go on there like that.
Okay.
And the door will slide in here.
Okay. Perfect.
Where was I? I'll move it up now.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, see you later, alligator. Okay, I can take my glasses off so I can see the world. Okay, I've modified the door here.
Yeah.
Modified the toilet door, where it comes out, and I've put these guides on it so it comes out like that, nice and straight.
Oh wow.
So you can pull the loo out, and you can use it, put it back, and you can drop it down just by tapping that out there till it's out, and you can slide it down.
Yeah, because it was coming out and it was getting irritating.
Okay.
That's well done.
So
Hi everybody. Okay, like we said, it's our anniversary, second anniversary, and we are fortunate enough to have 2 anniversaries a year because we were married in court today, 2 years ago, and next month we were married with family and friends. which wasn't really a wedding, but it was recognized as a wedding. So we have two. Being old like this, we have to double up on everything before they run away. So yeah, thank you for everybody for your little wishes. We saw them, and we look forward to multiplying these years so they're not just single digits, they'll be in double digits. We enjoy each other and love each other dearly, and I hope and trust we will for the rest of our lives.
Yeah.
Because we need to make money,
Oh, I
honey.
nearly fell over here.
We need to make money.
Yes, I know. Being pensioners, we need some help out of all the young guys around there.
Yeah.
Subscribe and join our vibe. When you subscribe, you're actually helping us, because what happens is we can become monetized, but we need like 1,000 subscribers minimum.
In fact, we're going to travel on a budget.
Yeah, we are. We're going to hit the road.
Yeah.
And we're going to live off pension. And that's why we need some subscribing so that we can get some funds from YouTube.
And it's free. Completely free. You
it's
just have to
completely
have
free.
a Google
Yes.
account.
Yes. Yep.
And we'll let you know what happens with all the, because the stuff is going today from your workshop.
Yes, yeah. So all the whole workshop has been sold, you know, sold.
Yeah.
Sold. So the guys coming to pick it up probably today or tomorrow. The whole lot, box and dust.
Yeah.
And then we can carry on with our little jaunt.
Yeah.
And we can show what South Africa has, and everybody can enjoy what we're showing.
Yeah.
I
And
think it's going to be exciting.
your journey of work's over.
Yeah, I've retired.
Okay. Bye.
Enjoy. Bye. Took me almost a whole flipping morning.
Yeah. Okay. So
Anyway,
we're gonna chuff and go.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Chuff, go.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Sunday. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Get your friends to subscribe. That would be awesome. See you next Sunday. Bye.